Hello, everyone. My name is Carlos Diaz, and I am business administration student. For the task 4 speaking assignment, I'm going to talk about the effects of technology on the environment. I want to the open discussion about the effects for technology on the environment and give my opinion and some advice about what can be done. Since the Industrial Revolution, environmental pollution has increased significantly because of chemical, biological, and physical waste. Nowadays, technological advancement has contributed to higher living standards, but also to a major environmental damage. In my opinion, technology has positive as well as negative effects on the environment. On the one hand, forest fire can be predicted by using satellites, and renewable energy sources could be used in order to take care of the environment. But on the other hand, some people use technology to destroy nature for their own economic benefits. For example, big oil companies using the fracking methodology, which has been increased in recent decades, producing environmental pollution and natural resource scarcity. I think that current trends in technology development are not the problem, but the way we use this development. Global warming and environmental pollution are the result of the wrong use of technology fostered by power companies around the world which are only interested in their own big and economic wealth. Consumerism has helped this trend to stay over the years, and the damage to Earth is getting bigger and bigger until there will be a point of no return. If current trends continue, all lives in Earth will end. To contribute to the improvement of the current environmental crisis, it is necessary to implement rigorous laws or punish and raise awareness those who attempt against the environment. Governments have the responsibility of developing eco-friendly policies for sustainable development. Thank you.